This may be the most sulit and affordable buffet here in Manila. And that's Tramway Buffet. Paano ba naman, meron kang unlimited cream dory, chicken feet, soup, Filipino spaghetti, steamed siomai, pork asado siopaw, with salad section, different maki rolls, meron ding pancit canton gisado, tramway chicken na may masarap na gravy, fried wonton, sweet and sour pork, different sweets and pastries for desserts na may favorite nating pandan jelly at coffee jelly. And syempre, may fruits din. There are still many dishes that I haven't mentioned, but for its price, grabe, busog to the max talaga. Hindi lang siya mura, masarap din talaga yung food nila. They have 3 branches pala in Timog, in Banawe, and here in Pasay. By the way, cash basis only ha. Check nyo na lang yung schedule here for lunch and dinner. Talagang babalik-balikan. Thanks, Tramway!